Hold the train, ladies, hold the train.
Right, you hate go quick.
Hold the train.
Hate go quick, man. This is it.
Give me some fireworks.
Yeah, this is it. This is
Give me
it.
some fireworks. Is that it? No, whoa, Hottie.
I don't know if this will fire, but I'm going to fucking try it.
Hottie, wait till you get some fireworks, man.
I don't know, well...
Wait till you get some of these.
Nah, that's it. I've got a sticky bottom. Got a sticky bottom?
One. Oh yeah, what have you been up to these to wait properly, like?
See, if I had this, well, let's fucking just light you with that.
Let's let it go. Quickly.
Oh no!
Pull the workout days.
What are you saying?
Just pull the workout
Those
days.
man, but no what?
Okay, get a couple of fireworks, we'll do your man with fireworks.
Nah, shut your fuss, man. You don't know what I've got.
No, what he's not got. He's not got two
No
fireworks.
feelings.
In your arsenal. Hottie. Nah, you just hunt them.
What are you shooting at? You shoot that. You're going to shoot them out your mouth.
Nah, can you not just hunt them with a fire away?
Cheesy fireworks.
Oh!
What?
Can you not just hunt them in a fire away? Do we need tubes?
No, you need a tube, man.
No, you
the whole
can-
stick goes up your fucking dick.
We'll get a couple of fucking tubes then.
That's the tube that you got, man. I was
One tube there.
cheesy.
Fuck him, I'm back!
Tube there.
Give me my tube.
You need a
Tube.
Ow. You need a
No,
tube
I've got a
to
tube.
fire these fireworks.
Got a tube, got a new tube. No, half a old tube.
Look, I bet them fucking sticks in it, innit? Aye, how can you fire that out of your mouth?
Touch it!
Stop your
Fire
picture.
out my fucking mouth!
I'll cut your bit off.
Aye, you just got my right there.
Nah, I'll stick to what I know.
Hey, you just got my bit, you just got that.
Alright.
Fire two at once.
But I know you're a fuck man, cheese will do it for me, like.
I've got a bit. Fuck all that bit of fucking cheese.
Who's got a good fucking lighter? Me. Give me it.
No. Who's for lighting my
Al,
fireworks?
you got a good lighter? Cheers, pal. Doesn't matter.
Al. Gentlemen.
What's me?
Don't light me on fire, fuck it.
Cheese. After a
Ryan! Give me some tube.
Al.
Here's the fucking tube.
I'm trying to get a hacksaw.
I'm on it, son, if it's you and Banjo. Nah, hell no, don't do fucking mouth fireworks, that's just, well, fucking what the fuck you do it.
Did it go upwards, or did that fucking...
Yeah, it went up on the fucking tail.
Yeah, honestly.
They colour your fucking face.
Al.
You look like you've been in the fucking mines for a year.
Give it them pack.
Give him a bit of fucking human.
Not like cheese.
Right.
Nothing like
It was.
Right, I'll tell you, we're going to get some shit together.
Who's next?
Penny, I want Joe and Banjos as my background tune.
I can't, man. Yeah, Penny.
You bet Al, stop it and then start again and it'll just be a belting.
Penny, it's not say something.
Yes, it's fucking total mess.
Yeah, it was born a mess. It was born a mess, so hey, you know what I mean, bro?
Oh, I thought, aye, sorry. I thought it was mine. Oh, yeah, I never meant to have that in it. We're still like, oh, right up
Hey, Penny, fuck it, I'm just ready to go. Hey! Next time.
Is your phone got fucking... Can you actually see anything? Can you actually see anything on that?
Not as much as you can.
Where is it?
Dave, you be turn back.
Firework!